Have you ever wondered what powers all the technology we use daily? The answer is programming. This video breaks down what programming is and why it's so important. Welcome to the world of programming, where ideas are translated into instructions that machines can understand and execute. If you find this content helpful, please support the channel. Like, subscribe, and share Abdul Hadi AI World with others. Simply put, programming is the process of writing instructions to tell a computer how to perform specific tasks. It's the language of computers. The core purpose is clear: to meticulously instruct a computer on what to do, step by step, enabling automation and complex operations. Let's look at how these instructions are actually created and executed by a machine. These instructions are written using programming languages like Python, Java, or C++, each with its unique syntax and structure. Once written, compilers and interpreters step in to translate that human-readable code into machine language that the computer can directly understand and execute. Programming isn't just theory. It has vast real-world applications across nearly every industry. From the operating system on your device to specialized business software, programming is the backbone of all software and applications. Every website you browse and every mobile app you download was brought to life by programmers using various languages and frameworks. It also powers advanced systems like artificial intelligence, machine learning models, and complex data analysis that drive innovation forward. Understanding programming is more than just a niche skill. It's fundamental in the digital age. Programming is the engine that drives modern technology and innovation, continually reshaping how we live and work. Learning to code opens doors to some of the most exciting and in-demand career opportunities in the technology sector today. We've covered the basics of programming, from its definition to its wide-ranging applications. Programming is truly a fundamental skill that underpins everything digital, making it crucial for the future. Ready to start writing your own instructions? Begin your programming journey today and unlock the power to create and innovate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video from Abdul Hadi AI World for more content on technology and innovation.